Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Online is my voice is clear. Yes. Good. ఫ్యాన్ ఏమంటున్నారు కదా అని ఫ్యాన్ చెక్ చేయమన్నాను వాళ్ళు. తన ఫ్యాన్ కోసం తిరిగింది కదా, తన ఫ్యాన్ వేసుకోండి అని. ఓకే, గో అవుట్ అండ్ కాల్ సమ్వన్. వెళ్తాను. Okay, in the meanwhile, let me tell you this. Like the backend class is from the Sudhakar Sharma sir. So it was fixed for evening 5 o'clock, the backend class. I will mention it, the batches and the timings and all in the group. I will mention the Telegram group. You can join there directly. I will put it now only. I go full stack 9. Now, online people, whoever are here, online and offline both, I mentioned in the Telegram group also the backend class, okay, which starts at some kind of 5 p.m. from tomorrow onwards. Okay, already the React class is started. Okay, so I highly recommend you guys to go these two things parallelly. React is going on morning, okay, backend is going on evening, and this course will be completed by tomorrow. Okay, so now you guys will have it like React and that focus more onto it so that you will get it, kind of a good one. Okay. If my React things or any starting also, I will let you know in the batch. Okay. Is it clear? Now. Anyway, once everyone comes, I will tell them one more time. People are not there still, actually. Even in online, not full people are there. Let me show you. Where are we? Yes, Studio Code. Go here. Go here. Now, HTML, CSS, full stack. 9. Now, is there any morning class for backend? I don't think so. See, backend classes are very rare. So I highly recommend everyone to attend the backend classes. See, backend classes are very rare because once you miss them now, again you will get it the backend one after a long time. React is like you will get it once here and there, but backend ones you need to be careful. Okay. Now let's go here. See this one, sir. Whatever the topics we have discussed, I gave you complete notes. We have interview questions. We have it like resume templates. We have it like, okay, not this one. Is this one full stack 9? Yeah, this is only na. We started main project. When did we did main project? So this is a portfolio project. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, name is different now. Now, your React classes will be there like morning. You have it like in the Sudhakar Sharma sir 7:30, and evening you have it like backend ones. Okay, and in case if you have it doubt for the next 2 months, my Telegram group will be active only. You can even post it there, your questions and all. I will reply. Okay. Now let's start our project, sir. E-commerce, index.html, script.js, style.css, images. When will we start React class? What time? I think React already started, na? React is started morning 7:30. The batch is there. Okay. I think batch details are already there in the group Telegram. You can watch it there. Okay. If it is not there, I think if anyone is there having the batch timings things, you can share it in the group. Okay. Try it online to whoever are asking question ma Nagaraj and all. Just go with that ma. Now go here. I don't have Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, na, here you have it like this GitHub, na. In GitHub, there is one file called telegram link.txt. If you go to this link, you will have the Telegram. Okay. In GitHub, you have it like the telegram.txt. You can go from there. Next one, sir. Go and start our project. E-commerce. Now, most people don't know this. Have some name for your project. Okay. Have some name for your project so that it will become something good. Now, how many days completed? It will be just 2-3 days, I think. It's just 3 days. I think it started from Monday. So it's still in basics only. You can go on. Now, shop videos available. You go there and you can check it, ma. They will provide you the videos. ShopBAY, which you can have a simple online e-commerce platform. Backend also will be taken by Sudhakar sir. Actually, there is a batch started for Sudhakar sir backend 5 o'clock. Okay, so I won't be available at evening 5 o'clock because I have it like again 6:30 office and all. So Sudhakar sir is taking it to evening 5 o'clock batch for the backend work. Okay, so right link favicon link CSS. When your backend will start? No idea. I don't think so. I don't know. Like the exact idea I didn't have. But I think my React class will start soon, but I don't know like whether UI it will be there or not. Okay. For UI full stack people will they allow it or not, but backend one it will take a lot of time. Usually they don't put it like immediate classes for the backend one. It will take some like time. If you miss this one again, it will take like another 3-4 months. I don't want you to waste it. Okay. If you have it any other doubts also, you can mention it in the group. I will be available now. See the question, sir. See the program. Follow the program, sir. Till now, anyone have any question in the code? No, this is a basic one. Now I'm going to put a simple header, sir. Main, footer. Inside the header, let me put it some simple logo. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it here some kind of something like a logo, ShopBAY, something, no need of logo. I will go here, ShopBAY, and here I will put some inside main. I will create here one div hash main. I'm not writing anything in the div hash main because I will write it here inside in the JavaScript. I will try to add it here. Not this, like I will try to put it like inside the main. I will put it like left, and I will try to put right side div hash right, and inside the right I will put it. I will just use some kind of layout. Then next footer. This site belongs to end copy semicolon 2024. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. There is something called bootstrap, sir. Bootstrap. Go to here, bootstrap docs. Go here, bootstrap introduction. Go down, copy the files of CSS. Paste it here. Copy the bootstrap JavaScript. Paste it here. Good. Next. Now, let me run this one. This is how it is looking, sir. Now I go here. I will go here. I will just say it like class padding top and bottom, padding x3, text center, PG primary, text white, font size 6. So this is the maximum size. This one seems to be something not good. So header, I will keep it here, something kind of size, font size, something kind of 72 pixels. What? Exclamation important. Something is wrong. Now go here. Right click, inspect. Go here, ShopBAY, header. Okay, this FS1 has to be removed. Even though I put exclamation important, still it is not taking it. Now next. Okay, I am creating a simple platform, sir. Okay, just to show you how these things works. Okay, now in the header, sir, not only this, I wanted to put here in the header, not only this, along with this, I wanted to put one icon also. Okay, like let's put some icon here. Let's put this one inside a paragraph. And some icon I will put it here, div. new dot cart. Inside this, I will put a cart symbol, sir. I will put a cart symbol. You can use favicon. You can use font awesome. There is something called font awesome. You can use font awesome, or you can use something called bootstrap icons also. Your wish. But there are some icons platforms also. If you are not getting exactly nice icons in the font awesome, you can use websites like SVG Repo, which will have nice icons. If you go here, cart, you will get it so much carts, which you can go on, which you can come here, download SVG, which I can see here, cart repo, go here, img / images SVG cart, and after this I will use something called zero span count, which is 0, so that I will get something 0 on the top. Cart needs to be smaller, sir. So go here, 20. No, cart is not smaller. Can I go here, height 100, width 100. Forty-eight. Now go here, index, go here, display flux. Justify content, space between. Padding X5. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? No. Go here, footer, class, BG black, text white, font size 6, font size 1, or font size 4. No. Text center, padding 3. Next. Sir, those all are inbuilt classes of Bootstrap, right, sir? Yes, ma. See, everything which I'm using are inbuilt in Bootstrap 1. Okay. Now, next. So now, how do you get the products? I need different products in my website. Do you think I will get it all the products statically? No. I want to get the products dynamically. How do you get the products dynamically, sir? By using an API. By using a API. So I will go to one website, sir, and the website name is dummyjson.com. dummyjson.com. If I go to dummyjson.com, if I go here, APIs, I will get it. Sir, who will give this API? Backend people will give this API. When you learn backend classes, na, you will learn Node.js. In that Node.js, you will create the endpoints. In that endpoints, you will put the data from the database. Now I'm taking here something products. Now go here, get all products. If I go to this link, sir, I'm getting all the products. Very good. Sir, you all used fetch now? Did you all remember how to use fetch, sir? Sir, we did fetch with promise. This is fetch with promise. You can use fetch with async await also. Okay, but I am gonna use not fetch with promise. I'm gonna use not fetch with the promise or other thing. I'm gonna use something called Axios. Did I tell you Axios, ma? Axios is a library. Did you remember what is a library, sir? Library बोले तो already predefined will be there na. jQuery you have seen na. Similarly, one library is there which will use to get the data. That is called Axios. Okay. You can use Axios or you can use async await. Which one you want me to use? Async await. Okay, let's go with async await then. Now go here, script, function, fetch data. I'm going here, fetch data, fetch data. I will also create it one function, which is function display data. First, I need to get all the data of products from certain API and I will show them here. Clear, sir? Doubt, ma? No. No doubt, sir. Now go here, URL. If fetch, I will give some URL, sir. It will take some URL, sir, here. What is the URL here? If someone give this URL, automatically it will go here. And if you are using async await, sir, it should be async. And inside this, try, catch. You remembered, ma? If it is promises, sir, you don't need to write this try catch because dot then dot catch will be there. But here you need to write it because inside the async await, you don't have any catch. Const response is equals to await fetch and here URL. Sir, this URL you are getting it here, sir. Dynamically I'm passing it. Same function I'm passing the value. Earlier you used to write it URL directly here. Now I'm passing it. That is the only difference. Now next const response and then const data equals to await res.json. Once you get this data, sir, I want you to call display data with the data. And inside the display data, I will go here and I will just see here data and I will just print this data. Whether I'm getting the data correctly or not, I will just print it, sir. Okay. And in case if you get it any error in this console.log, you will print that error, sir. Catch error, catch error, error. Any doubts in this, ma'am? Online, any doubts in this? Online, any doubts? No, sir. Now go here, see whether your website is running correctly or not. Right click, inspect, console. Now you got one data. Did you get it array or object, ma? What do you get? Object. If you go here inside the object, where are my products, sir? Inside the objects, inside the products you have. Right or not? Sir, that means data is not what we want. We want data के अंदर products है. That is what we want. We don't want data. We don't data के अंदर products है ना वो चाहिए. तो वो send होता. अभी देखो. Directly सीधा products आवा. कितने products आ गया? हर each product में क्या क्या है? वो देखो बहुत है. हर each product में availability status है, brand है, category है, description, discount percentage, ID, images, meta, something price, rating, SKU, stock, tags, thumbnail, title, कुछ भी. I wanted to take title. I wanted to take thumbnail. I wanted to take price, title, thumbnail, price. Images is thumbnail only, na? Images is a array, like more number of images. So I wanted like title, thumbnail, price, and I will put one button. Okay. So Go here for displaying data. What do you want? First, I want one div to put the whole product. Inside the div, I want image, I want it a title, I want it price, and I want add to cart button. So just create this thing, sir. How do you create it? Const product div equals to document dot create element. If you guys did the projects which I said it, obviously these all things seems easy for you. I created one div, then I created const product image equals to document dot create element. I'm creating one element, sir, which is having img const product price, title equals to document dot create element price, sorry, huh? Ray, not title ray, like you need to create some kind of element, na? H2. Then next, const product price. For price, which element you want me to create, sir? For price, which element? Paragraph. And button const add cart button equals to document dot create element. I'm creating one element which is add to cart, which is button. Then everything I did, I will keep it inside right div. I will just take it here. Whatever I did it in the code here, I will just keep it here. Const right div equals to document dot get element by ID. Here, right. What is the ID right? Sir, why you put it left and right? Left side, I wanted to put some kind of categories so that it will show some kind of, uh, selection option kind of thing. Now, right, go here, next. Inside the right div, everything should be inside the div. Product div dot append, product image, product title, product price, add cart button. All four are inside this. Now, this all things are inside the right div dot append child product div. These things should be repeated. Data is an array. Inside the array, 30 elements are there. For 30 elements, this procedure should be repeated, na? So you will put it a for each. You will use for each. Each one is a P, and for each time we will repeat this. Next, sir, for each product div को एक name दे दो. Class list dot add. I'm adding one class name product, and each image को एक image को src दे दो. Dot src equals to p dot. What is the name of image inside the object, ma? Thumbnail. So I will use this. See, I am going on here. I'm assuming that you guys are getting it. Okay. If you are not getting it, let me know what is like any question you have it like I will tell you. P dot title. Next. Same thing. Product title dot text content. Inside the title, whatever the text content will be there. P के अंदर title है. What is the price? Product price dot text content equals to p dot price. For price, I will put it something like price dollar and plus I can even use for button, add cart button dot text content equals to add to cart. Can you see it here? Any doubts, ma here? Sir, inside the array, price and all are present in object, sir. That is why I put it dot dot dot. Inside the array, each one is an object. That's why I put dot dot dot. Now, go here, right div. This right div must be a grid. Right div must be display grid. Grid template columns. Repeat 3 comma 1 FR. Now gap 20 pixel. Now go here. If you wanted to put any kind of class name, sir, CSS, you can put it here. Add cart name, add cart button dot class list dot add dot add. You can put it here. You can put it here. Car button btn comma btn primary. Why it is not applied? How many class names you want, you can give it that many class names here. Okay. Now this whole thing, it will have a class name product. It will have a class name called card. Okay. And this image will have a class name product image dot class list dot class list dot add class name as image top. I think some card image top or something kind of one card. Just a minute. In CSS, you put a row, huh? In CSS, I put row. Sorry, sir. It is grid template columns. It got printed. Now go here. Here, card img top. For product title dot text content. Sorry, dot class list dot add card title. Inside this right div is having display grid, and all are inside the right div only now. Okay, right div dot append child should be outside. No, inside only. Why it is coming at something bigger like this? Inside the right, you get it product card. See, so many are coming correct only. Now right is something display grid now. Okay, it is having only ID right, but I give ID right div. So this is wrong. ID name is right only. So you will get it automatically cards. Very good. Not only this, these cards should have. Okay, these cards are there. Now I will use some media queries. So you can put it some media queries like 2 columns, 1 column you can put it so that you will get it. Now, next, see here. Everyone see your website, ma? Any doubts are there here in this website? You are getting all the products now? Now, let's give for each one padding margin 3, and for this whole padding 50 pixel, padding 3. Okay, not bad. Next one, left side one. I will go here, left side one. This left side, I wanted to put some categories, sir. I wanted to put some categories. Let's put it. Someone is asking, what is that 1FR? Can you explain one, please? 1FR means, 1FR is like one fraction. How do you divide? Like, for example, you are getting one fraction, I am getting one fraction, another person is getting one fraction. Total 3 fractions are there. That means each one is getting 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. In total, how many fractions you can divide it? Okay. I said it like 4, 3, 1 FR bole to each column will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay. Now, in grid we discussed that actually. Now here I will put some categories, sir. If you see, this all things are having some categories. I will see what are the list of categories. Categories list. I will take this beauty. Go here. I will put it here. Button. Class. BTN. Primary. Outline primary, which is beauty. Control C. Now, you can use JavaScript code to print this also. JavaScript code, if you write it automatically, it will print. I'm not making much complex, so I will just go here one by one. I'm just adding few things. You can add it more and you can make it more better. Okay. Fragrances. Now, furniture. Groceries. Something like laptops. If I click here, if I click this particular button, sir, imagine I'm clicking here fragrances. I want all products only for fragrances should come here. I want them to filter it only the fragrances with the this particular one. You see here, see the things are coming it like this. Are you getting my point, ma? Only if I click here fragrances, only fragrances should be there. Okay, and how do you do that, sir? Now here, if you wanted to do this kind of thing, first, I wanted to click this button. People will usually write it like on click. But problem is, imagine I have it like 5 buttons. Can I write it like each button on click, on click, on click, on click? No. Instead of clicking each one, you will write it directly one on click for parent. Even delegation. Barabar. Even delegation means instead of triggering it to each child, you will trigger the parent. That way it will be easy. So I will trigger this guy. I will say it like if you get clicked. I will not click them, I will click button only. But anyway, if you click button, parent will be clicked. Oh, bubbling ho jata.
In case in case if anyone get this particular one, anyone get this particular one, call this interest. Okay. If anyone get this one, call this. Now, in this function, what you will take the event as you will take the event as on the area of the stomach one is active. Only the one is the only one is the only is the one it can be given as signal.
Then is it clear now? Is it clear now? Okay, go on. See, if anyone click this button, it is taking it here event. Event is click. Event is click. Who is targeting this event? Button. And button के अंदर text है. Button के अंदर text है. So I'm checking it like console.log event.target.text content. If you do this, if you click the, let me check it, is it working or not? If I go here, if I right click here, console, if I click the fragrances, I'm getting fragrances. If I click furniture, I'm getting furniture. If I click groceries, I'm getting groceries. So my logic is right. So I will go here. I will write it like this. I will call fetch data. Sir, I want it based on category. There is one API. For everything, there will be API endpoint. See, get the products by category. I have one link. If I want based on category, I will give this. If I give link like this now, you know what is the problem? It will give for only smartphones. But I don't want that. Instead, I will use template literal. I will say each time change this. Change each time, change this e dot target dot text content. Automatically, based on that, it will call the fetch data. Fetch data will come here. I will just remove this right div. Initially make this right div text content as empty. Now go here. हो गया. Fragrances. खाली fragrances. You can put it more kind of buttons, na? Your wish. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts here? No. Next. Next one. Next one. Go here. What if someone clicks a button? If someone clicks a button, what will happen, sir? If someone clicks a button, till now nothing will happen because you did not write anything. But I want it to happen. If anyone clicks the button, which is like in the add to cart, imagine someone clicks it. Add to cart. Add cart button dot add event listener, and event listener is click. Imagine someone clicks this. What do you want me to do? immediately I wanted to call one function. In this function, I will write it one method called update cart. And for this update cart, I am passing P. What is P? Total object. Like total product object is P. So when you do this in the update cart, what I will do was 0 hai na? Was 0, I will change it to 1, and also I will store this P somewhere in the local. If you remember local storage, I will store it in browser. Why? Because again people will go to cart page, right or not? In cart page, I wanted to show this P, or whatever the products they added, I wanted to show them. So for this, I will store this P, sir. Okay. Now, online, if you have doubts, you can mention it, ma. Then I will go here, cart P. I will come here, function, date cart, which is like product. In this update cart, is it good to write whole things in one JS file? No. I will have one more JS, don't worry. I'm not writing everything in one JS. This is for one page, each page one JS. Okay, you can put it multiple JavaScripts also. Now here, update cart. First thing, I will take the count. Const count equals to document dot get element by ID. This ID guy is count, and count dot length equals to 1. Let's take it one eraser initially. Let cart ARR equals to empty. Instead of 1, I will push everything, whatever products I take it, I will push it into one array product. So I'm taking one empty eraser and I clicked on Apple add to cart. Apple will be added into that array. Now how many items are there in the array? 1. So how many items are there? That much array dot length will come. Count value, count dot text content equals to cart ARR dot length. And also I wanted to store this cart ARR in local storage. How do you storage? Local storage dot set item. I'm storing array. If you remember, I told you, you can't store directly an array. You have to convert that into a string and then store it. So JSON dot stringify, and I will store it in cart ARR. How many items you added, it will be stored. You need to give a name, cart items name. So now this whole thing in the stored in the name of key value cart items. Okay, update cart is done. Now you go here, you click here, mascara and eyeshadow. Now you see here, cart value is 2. And if you right click and inspect, if you see here console, here local storage के अंदर cart items are there. Inside the cart items, 2 products will be there. Okay, inside the cart items 2 products will be there, which these products I will replicate it later. If you see this my AR, I stored it when I explained to you. Those values will stay here because local storage, until you delete it, will not be deleted. Okay, sir, whole data is there. Yeah, same logic. Now imagine if someone clicks this here cart. This image, I will keep it in anchor tag. If someone keeps this na, I will write one more HTML file, cart.html. For cart.html, I will write it one more JavaScript, which is cart.js. So if anyone clicks that button na, automatically they will go to cart.html. Okay. If anyone clicks this particular one, ShopBAY, anchor tag. Then I will go here index.html. So I will go this, copy this, paste it in cart.html. I don't need this middle wala, left, right and all. And CSS is same CSS I will use, but JavaScript I will change it to cart.js. Now inside the JavaScript, what you will do, sir? First, you need to take whatever the items which are there in the local storage. Const cart equals to cart items equals to local storage dot get item cart items, and you made them as string, sir. You made them as string, and you need to convert them at again on a array. Now JSON dot parse, and you write it here, which will be converted, sir. Now you have total cart items, sir. These cart items I wanted to print it here, like const count equals to document dot get element by ID count dot text content equals to cart items dot length, and I will write it here one method function display data, and I wanted to print all these cart items also inside this display data. What is JSON.parse? You made it JSON.stringify, na? That means whole JSON, whole array will become string, na? Now JSON.parse will just make that stringed array into normal one. Okay. Now I wanted to print this whole display elements inside this main. So take this main const main div equals to document dot get element by ID main. Now here display data, inside the display data cart items dot for each. What this for each will do, it will work for each and every element, for each P, for each and every product. I'm gonna create it one div const div equals to document dot create element div dot class list dot div dot create attribute, not create element, not create attributes. Div dot class list dot add dot class list dot add. I'm adding a classes, sir. For this div, I will add a class name flux. I think flux or deflux. Deflux, na? Cart item, comma, deflux, comma, gap. Next, const image equals to document dot create element img image dot src equals to p dot thumbnail, and I will give here image dot height equals to something like some kind of 80 pixel, 80, and const title equals to document dot create element H2 title dot text content equals to P dot title. Same logic, const price equals to document dot create element, something like price. I'm going with P. Price dot text content equals to control shift dollar, which is P dot price. Next, const remove button equals to document dot create element btn remove button dot text content equals to remove, and remove button dot class list dot add btn danger. Everything should be inside the div, sir. Div dot append append image title price remove button, and after having this all inside the main div, I wanted to put all this dot append child div. So it's like what is this? Okay, ShopBAY. Go here. Index.html class text decoration text white text decoration and Control C. Even in here, Control V. Now everyone go here, sir. If I go here, first let me clear everything in local storage. Go here, local storage. I just wanna clear it, sir. Dot clear. Now everything in the local storage is gone. If I try it, local storage now empty. Local storage. Now go here, go down. I'm adding this mascara. I'm adding something from this Coconair. I added 2 products, sir. I will go here, click this. Now here nothing got printed. Why? Some error may be there. No, nothing. Card.html, card.js, and divide main, and go here, divide main div. Because I did not call this display data. Now see this, sir. Any doubts here? No. Go here, main class, main class padding 5, margin 5. And display flux, flux direction colon, justify content center, align items center, Getting confused, can we continue tomorrow? No, I don't think so, because see, this is the final one, sir. It's like we are not doing anything bigger things. All I need you to focus on how we did this particular one. Okay. Now, because anyway, tomorrow will be kind of revision, interview, those things are only will taking the time. Okay, which is very simple, this one. Sir, what you did in main page, I didn't put, that's why I didn't put much pages. That's why we are not doing all the pages. We are doing basic things. If anyone click in first page add to cart, it will add it to the main one, and also it will store it in the local storage. It will store it in the local storage. If anyone come to the cart page now, and then in cart page, whatever the items which are there in local storage, it will take them and it will print them. Already items are stored in local storage in the main page, and those items it will take and it will print them, sir. Simple. And for CSS and all, I am using this Bootstrap because Bootstrap makes your work more easy. Just gap 20, sorry, gap 4. And in cart.js also, here justify content evenly. See, we discuss very few only, we don't discuss much. Okay, don't worry about it. I will just give you basic only. I justify content between, we will discuss for some more time, it would be over, don't worry. Now next one, sir. Almost project is over. Only one thing is remaining in the project, which is like on clicking the remove, this item should be removed from here, and it should be removed from the local storage also. That is first logic. Second logic is here total should come. How much is your total? Is this clear, ma? See, this one project will teach you everything from starting to ending. That is the goal. Now, online, is it clear, ma? First one will write it for remove cart. Now go here. If anyone click this remove cart button, that is why till now every class I went slow, so that I want you to understand it clearly how this thing phase works. This class cannot be fast because I wanted you to get it quickly. Remove button. If anyone click this button, remove button. If anyone click this button, remove, automatically it will call one method, update cart remove. Then it will go to the cart and it will try to remove something. Are you getting my point, sir? Doubt ma? Koi doubt hai? No. Sir, how do you remove an element? If you want to remove one element, sir, you need to give something called index. So I'm going to give index for this. You can actually take here in for each, first one is product, second one is index. So I will pass index, like which element you want to delete, second element, third element, you have to give that function. Update cart remove index. If anyone click this, automatically first cart items dot, already cart items array is there na, cart items dot splice, to remove an element, splice is there. Splice will do, take the index and give one element will be deleted. Okay, after deleting it, I wanted to, not only here, I wanted to update the main cart also na, right or not? First count dot length equals to cart items dot, sorry, count dot text content equals to cart item dot length. Second thing, in local storage dot set item is cart items, and I wanted to give here Again, same logic. Earlier I did JSON.stringify. I converted into string and I gave this array. What is counter? This counter here, 2, 3, this one I wanted to reduce. And then stringify cart items. Simple. Then I added the new array into the old array place. Where it is. Go here. See here. I gave count. I gave count here. Now if anyone go here, if anyone click here, can you see one? In local storage also it is removed, sir. But this page is updated. If you remove this, it should be removed now. So you should go here and call this particular display data one more time. And whenever display data is calling, you should always start with fresh one. Main div first thing should be empty. Main div dot text content equals to empty. One item is there. If I remove this also, any doubts? Any doubts, sir? If cart items dot length is equals to 0, then main div dot text content equals to no items in the cart. No items in the cart. Else I will add the cart. कोई doubt है माँ? Can we go to shop? Can you see here? Can we add some more products here? One more time we try. It's over. We need to put it only, the main total. Total can be done easily. Image height you can reduce. Image height equals to 80 because here see, here main images are not 80. But if I go to this one, see images are chota images. Can we give directly? Yes, you can give directly. You can give directly using the CSS also, and you can give it in JavaScript also. Nothing will happen. Dekho, see. Now 2 products are there, na? Now if I go here, remove, one product is there. You have not mentioned pixel or percentage. No. You don't need to mention it in the image height. If you remember na, img tag, height equals to 100, width equals to 100, you can directly give it. Okay. Those things are okay for only for image, that is. Sir, after add to item the cart, then change the button, add to cart. Change the button, add to cart. I didn't understand. Okay, you want it like if item is added, then button color or something has to be changed so that this one added to the cart. Some kind of animation you wanted to see. Yeah, you can do that. You can put it on click action. You can put it any kind of logic, your wish. Okay. Good. This is good, sir. Next one. Next one. Last but not least, total. Go here. See whole project. I'm just doing it now, today itself. Last one will do total and we'll leave. View dots buttons display flux justify content between And then here button, BTN, primary, outline, strict to BTN outline primary, outline primary. One is for here, this is checkout. This is checkout. I forgot. Let's go here. Paragraph, total, class, FS3. And here inside this total, I will give here span hash total. Initially, what is the total, sir? Nothing. I wanted to print the total, sir. Go here, Control C. Write it here. Write one function, calculate total. I'm writing this time arrow function. There is no point here. You can write it normal function also. Just to show you all kind of things I did. Calculate total. If anyone want to calculate total, sir, they will use this. To the people who forgot, I told when we discuss arrays, there is one function dedicated for adding total, which is called a reduce. Array.reduce. Now, if I do this, array.reduce, how it will work, sir? If you have an array.reduce, reduce will take it like one callback function and will take it like initial value. Callback function, previous plus previous comma current, which is like previous plus current dot price. Previous value is initially 0. Sir, initially 0 will be there. Her each time current value change hota. First time current value will be first product. So initially 0, previous value. 0 plus current object plus price. If first one is 2 rupees. 0 plus 2 rupees. 2 rupees. Next time product is 4 rupees. So previous value is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Like that each time the value will be updated. This value will be const total. So document dot get element by ID total dot text content text content equals to total. Now go here. This is update. In case if you remove any items now, then also you should go here, calculate total. Simple. Calculate total. Can you see total how much is price? 12.99. So I have to show it here with the rupees symbol. Control shift. हाँ हो गया. Now you will get it, sir. If you add more number of products, stew. You can see it here. Here this, here checkout. If you click this checkout now, it will go out. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts here? No. हो गया. Remove 0. Go to ShopBAY. All products are there. You have bootstrap ma. You can put a nice slider. You can put it carousels, you can put it so many things. Okay, I'm not doing that all. Let me add it one cushion and one bed. Go here, go to my cart application. One cushion and one bed is there. Total 4,398, 99.98. Go to checkout. I didn't put anything in the checkout. In checkout, I can put some kind of Razor Pay or Phone Pay or something kind of one, which will work. How do you put it Razor Pay? How do you put it Phone Pay? Those things are also, you can add it using APIs. If you go to Razor Pay website, you will have their APIs thing and which you can connect it, sir. But connecting directly API in the JavaScript is risky. If you are going for React and all, you will have something called environment variables. In that environment variables, you will keep it so that it will be secret, those API keys. Here it's not, so that it's risky. So that's why we don't use it here. Any doubts? Online, any doubts, ma? How did you put it? Rupee symbol, Control Shift dollar, ma. Control Shift dollar. Someone asked me, can you show how to debug these things? देखो debug बोले तो कोई error है तो debug करता. Console is how you debug. Console you should put. हरीच वाला चाहिए console करो तो debug होता. Online, any doubts, sir? I want to check the flow. If you want to check the flow, na, right click, inspect, go to sources, go to sources, click here, and then put here wherever you wanted the flow, wherever you wanted, put the breakpoint. If you want it like this, then you can put it, then run it one more time. Now it will stop one by one, and you click here, it will come one by step, and it will show you like how it is coming step by step. See, it is doing step by step. What it is happening, right side, you can see it. See, one product came after creating whole thing. It is creating image, it is taking index, it is taking paragraph, it is taking price, it is taking remove button, it is taking title. It will keep everything inside the div and it will bring it here. You got it, Santosh ma? Santosh, you go to sources, you put the breakpoints and you check it, sir. We already did this. Any other doubts, sir? Sir, this project is basic, ma. I want you to increase this project more. I want you to make this project more and more good. Try to put it some kind of, see, very few people of you did the portfolios. I don't know. In this course, till now, every day I gave it like mostly possibly whatever the days we did projects, I gave you tasks also. Very few times some people did, some people did not. Now, you guys are remained after long. So you guys from starting onwards listening to the class. Now complete the project. I won't be there to monitor you, but I'm telling it. Monday is the deadline. Today is Wednesday. Monday is the deadline. You use ChatGPT or कुछ भी हमको मालूम नहीं. एक अच्छा e-commerce website चाहिए. Take my e-commerce website. From this only start. Don't start from scratch. Take mine from the scratch. You can use the same API. You can put more and more features into it. For each and every product, you can put one page. Okay. You can create pages dynamically. No one will put it like for each page one product, each page. It's like if you click any product now, for that its page should come. Like templates, that can be done. Or you can put it something like about contact pages, easy. Or you can try for the checkout flows. Or you can put it something like banners pages, like home page. Whatever I did it, you can put that as something product page, and you can build separate home page. You can try whatever the logics you want it and make it responsive. Put it a nice name and give it your own logic. Understand the flow, how it is working from one page to another page. Is it clear, ma? Upload everything into your GitHub, write whatever you did in some notes and post it in the LinkedIn once you have completed your project. Every project, chota task you did it in front-end vendor, also post it in your LinkedIn. Try to get it more connections. Tomorrow I will tell you how to maintain your LinkedIn. Tomorrow I will tell you whole JavaScript one revision. I will tell you how to do LinkedIn and Naukri, and I will show you how to put your resume and all one more time. Okay, so that you can go and apply for jobs. I know that you are learning React. I know that you are learning, backend, but still, you are having so much free time. Morning 7:30, you are learning React, and after that 9 o'clock, your React class will be over. So you are free. Evening 5 o'clock, you have backend. You are free in the meantime. So every day attend an interview. Every day go for an interview. There will be so many walk-ins available. Try to check in internet. Walk-ins. आज walk-in किधर है? आज walk-in high-tech city है. छोड़ दो, जाओ. किधर भी जाओ. So go there. Then if you are going for whatever the job, sir, see someone in the online saying it like PHP developer. कुछ भी तुमको PHP developer का job आ जाए तो जाओ. Sir, tomorrow PHP interview है sir. Today night learn PHP. Type it in internet PHP interview questions. पढ़ो. That is how we all passed engineering. Last night we did one night batting. Try it. Right? If your luck is good na, same questions they will ask. Sir, if they ask different question, कुछ नहीं होता. Next time we will try. But interview experience रहता है ना. Imagine today you went to one interview, React interview. You don't know anything React. You studied whole React yesterday night. You just studied, you don't know. You just studied and you went to interview. If 10 questions, 1 or 2 questions you will answer. But remaining 8, you will understand what type of questions they are asking. Second time you will go for React interview. This time also you will study night. This time you will study that 8 questions also because you already had experience. This time they will ask you another 3 different questions. If you repeat this process for 4 or 5 times, if you don't know React also, you will pass the interview. Same thing we did. See, I don't know M1 subject in engineering. There is one subject called M1. Okay, I failed 4 times. 5th time I passed. But 5th time I didn't study much. You know the reason? Previous question papers. 4 times I wrote it now. So I understand which chapter, which question, what type it will come. And I understand which answers I have to maintain so that I will pass. Barabar ho gaya. Do I know the subject? Chhod do. No need. Once you get the job will teach you the subject. No one will know it. Once you go into the ocean, ocean will teach you the swimming. Or max you will die. So I don't think you will die. Okay. You won't die in the software. You will learn it because you have a need now. Once you get your job now, people will give you credit cards, and some people will ask you money, and you will have EMIs. You have to pay your EMIs, so you have to work. So you have to do the work. Else they will remove you. You can't pay EMIs. You will be burdened. This cycle will go on. Okay. If you have any other questions and doubts also, tomorrow bring it up. I will answer it all. Make it tomorrow some kind of, we don't have much class. We will have it like some revision and we will have general class and we'll finish it up. Okay. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all. Online, any doubts here? As I am working as PHP, what I have experience, interview purpose as experience. If you are working as PHP, sir, go for PHP framework. Whatever framework questions they are giving it to you, answer it. Those things will help you. Any other doubt है तो पूछो sir. कोई नहीं. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you all.